Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to Kripazlovebug. I'm Kripa and I make videos on beauty, hairstyle, lifestyle and product reviews. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, I know you don't want to miss them. So please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon right down there because that is how you'll get notified whenever I post my videos. So yeah, by the title you all know that today's video is all about the makeup kit for beginners. And by beginners I mean, those who love makeup, those who really want to do makeup but don't know which products are good and which products they should buy and which products they should not buy, and from where they should buy their products, and in total how many products they will need if they want to do full face makeup. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna talk about the products which are really good because I know I have been using it, I am using it, and with my experience I've come to know that which products are really good for your face or for the skin tone what you are having, and also the products in general are good. So yeah, I know this video will be very helpful for those who are very new into this makeup world. So yeah, without a further ado, let's jump into the video. Here are all the products, and these products may look bad from outside like covered in the makeup, but I am using this product on daily basis. So first thing you'll need is lip balm, and for this any lip balm or Vaseline will do. So for primer, my pick is this Elegal Pro HD primer because this primer is very affordable and at the same time this is silicone based primer which will really help your foundation to stick on effortlessly. Okay, so the next step is foundation, and for this I have three choices for you. The first is Superstay Matte Foundation from Maybelline. The next one is Stay Matte but Not Flat from NYX, and oh my god, this is Balm.com foundation. If you haven't used it, please go and try it. And the last one is the BB cream from Maybelline. So today I'm applying this Maybelline Superstay Matte Foundation, and this foundation you guys is very beginner friendly foundation, and that is why I've chose that because this is very much blendable and smooth foundation, will not create patches on the skin, and at the same time this foundation is very much long lasting. So yeah, all in all you guys will love it, and I'm using the beauty blender with it, and beauty blender is from Real Technique, so smooth and very nice. Do not ever forget your neck. So now is the time for concealer, and here I have two options for you. The first one is Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in Neutralizer and Elegal Pro Concealer in yellow. So this both concealers are so good when you use it. So today I'm using this Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in Neutralizer, and this shade will suit any Indian skin tone. That's what I feel because whenever you want to highlight your under eye area or any part on your face, this is the perfect shade for that. And my tip to use this concealer is blend at the end under your eye because that is how you will get most of the coverage. So this concealer is very affordable and very easy to blend, and at the same time will give you most of the coverage. So I really recommend this. So now to set that concealer and prevent our skin from getting oily, basically from the T-zone, we need powder. And here I have two options for you. The first one is Master Fix from Maybelline and the second one is NYX Mineral Set It and Don't Fret It. This both the powder is very fine and smooth to apply and also will not be visible in the pictures with flash. So the next thing is contour, blush and highlighter, and I've got you covered in one palette. This is like Master Contour palette from Maybelline in shade 20 medium to deep. This way it is like very affordable for a beginner and very user friendly. So in option I have the NYX Ombre blush in shade Strictly Chic, and for highlighter I have this Master Chrome by Maybelline in shade 150 and 130 is also very good. And for contour I have this Wet n Wild contour palette that includes a beautiful banana shade which you can use as a powder or around your T-zone. So if you're not much into palettes, you can own these things individually, and these things are as good and very affordable at the same time. And I'm using brush here like kabuki brush. I have ordered this from Amazon and you can do it too. Like I'll give you the link in the description box because I have a separate video on that. These brushes are really affordable, you can really own them, but meanwhile you can always do your makeup with fingers like I'm doing it here, or you can use your beauty blender or any single brush which you own by now. So yeah, So yeah, makeup is not that tough. You all can do it. Now let's come to brow. I have two options here. The first one is Tattoo Studio from Maybelline and the other one is also from Maybelline. This is a brow drama, but this is a powder thingy and both in the darkest shade possible for Indian skin tone. So today I'm using this Maybelline's Brow Drama Powder Chalk in shade 130, and I feel this is the easiest and affordable product you can apply on your brow because you don't need any fancy tool to do it or any fancy brushes. You just need the wand which is included in the bottle and you are good to go. And I'm just brushing my brow now. So now is the time for eyeshadow and I have chose this Color Tattoo 24-hour eyeshadow from Maybelline because this is a cream eyeshadow and you can just apply it with your fingers and it is very good for the daytime and nighttime look. So you don't need much product and with less money you can achieve a nice look. So now is the time for highlighter and I'm using this highlighter from the palette and the pigments are very good. I really suggest you guys to go and buy that palette if you are a beginner because then you are set for the contour highlighter and the blush in one palette. So yeah. And for now, eyes, I would really suggest you to go and buy this Maybelline's Eye Studio Gel Eyeliner. This is really very beginner friendly. It may look tough on the screen, but once you start using it, it is easier than any liquid eyeliner. So yeah, it is beginner friendly and long lasting and smudge proof too. For kajal, I've choose this L'Oreal Infallible waterproof and long lasting kajal. This is so smooth, like buttery feeling at the same time smudge proof. And for beginners, you can easily apply it without any hassle. Now is the time for mascara and I've selected this Lash Renegade mascara from Wet n Wild and also you can use this Lash Paradise voluminous mascara from L'Oreal. I do not have it right now but it is as good as better than Sex mascara if you know it. So yeah, this is affordable option for the good mascaras. So now is the time for lipstick and if you are a beginner or not, everybody uses a good lip shade. So I'm not going much into detail but today I'm using this NYX Lingerie and I love the shade, so matte and good. If your makeup at place, you always need a makeup fixing spray and here I've selected a Wet n Wild's makeup fixing spray in matte. If your skin is dry, you can use as dewy and even you can use a rose water to fix your makeup. So yeah, that's it for today. And if you think my video is in any way helpful to you, then please make sure to like that button and subscribe to my channel. Bye. See ya. I love you all. Mwah.